DJI Air 3S Combo, the drone hack that crushes low-light fears. Ever felt like your drone shots turn into blurry disasters just when the sun dips low, leaving you staring at a screen full of regrets? That frustrating scramble for decent light, only to end up with flat, uninspired footage that screams amateur hour. If this hits too close to home, drop a comment with your worst drone fail. Let's laugh it off together before we fix it. Picture this: deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress knotting your shoulders as burnout creeps in from endless retakes and glitchy flights that eat your weekends. You're pouring hours into setups that flop at dusk, wondering if pro-level footage is just a pipe dream. But imagine reclaiming those stolen moments with a tool that whispers, "I've got you." No more chaos, just pure creative flow waiting to unfold. Enter the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo with RC. In 3, the sly game changer that's turning frustrated flyers into aerial wizards without breaking a sweat. This isn't your average drone. It's a dual-threat beast with a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle and 70mm medium telecamera duo, capturing 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video that pulls in up to 14 stops of dynamic range, like snagging the fiery glow of a sunset or the velvet hush of a nightscape without a single washed-out pixel. Picture Sarah, a travel vlogger chasing golden hour magic in Bali's rice terraces. One hover with the Air 3S's Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, powered by forward-facing LiDAR, dodges hidden palms effortlessly, letting her nail that seamless panorama mode stitch of emerald fields under fading light. No more heart-stopping near misses, just silky, 45-minute flights per battery. That's 3 included for over 90 minutes total, and 42 gigabytes internal storage swallowing hours of raw footage. The enhanced vision assist and next-gen smart return to home even plot the safest path back in spotty GPS zones, turning risky dusk adventures into confident cruises. And here's a cheeky tip to whet your appetite. Toggle the ND filter set, ND8, ND32, ND128 included, for those blinding high-contrast days. It'll make your highlights pop like never before. But stick around. The real secret trick drops at the end, promising to shave minutes off your edit time while amplifying that pro vibe intuition. Feel that tingle yet? This combo's portability and intelligent flight assistance aren't just features. They're your ticket to footage that stirs the soul, evoking the rush of wind-whipped horizons and the quiet thrill of unseen details revealed. Now lean in. The DJI Air 3S doesn't just fly. It liberates your focus, turbocharging efficiency so you capture vibrant, detailed shots that scream cinematic gold instead of good enough. That 1-inch sensor devours low light like a pro, rendering intricate cloud wisps at dawn with zero noise, while the medium tele's 3x zoom effect compresses perspectives for intimate wildlife close-ups from afar. Think the feather ruffle of a bird in flight, crisp and alive. Efficiency skyrockets with the battery charging hub juggling 3 intelligent flight batteries, banishing downtime and letting you scout epic locations over 20 kilometers of rock-solid 04 transmission without a hitch. One aerial photography expert raved, the dual 1-inch CMOS sensors blur the mid-tier Pro line, stunning sharpness and color depth that redefines creative flexibility. A tech influencer chimed in, Nightscape sensing is a game-changer for urban dusk shoots. 3 batteries mean zero range anxiety on location hunts. Industry analysts nod, calling it professional-grade trickle-down at a steal, with the Fly More combo slashing cost per flight for non-stop sessions. Even users echo it. A content creator shared, "As a vlogger, the dual cams let me grab wide establishes and tight details SNS landing. HDR footage pops straight from the drone." And that advanced hobbyist? Omnidirectional sensing in low light gives total peace. The hub doubles as a power bank for on-the-go genius. Sure, skeptics might gripe about tracking quirks in fast scenes, but the upgraded algorithms handle most with hypnotic ease, reinforcing why thousands buzz about this drone's balanced evolution. No major leaps needed when it already outshines rivals in safety and storage. Which feature would rescue your next shoot? Comment below, and let's geek out. Imagine the sensory rush, that haptic buzz of the RC N3 controller in your palm, the intuitive gimbal tilt unlocking fresh angles, all weaving narratives that tug at heartstrings. See why it's the portable powerhouse pros whisper about? Curiosity piqued. Your workflow's about to feel the upgrade. Limited spots left on this wave. Join the thousands who've soared ahead with the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo, from vloggers ditching retake hell to analysts hailing its LiDAR safety edge. Users swear by the sharp 48-megapixel stills and extended flights that turn one more take into nailed it. Don't let stock vanish. Snag yours now for that exclusive panorama mode unlock, stitching skies into seamless epics that make jaws drop. Click through, grab the combo, and watch your shots transform. Don't just dream of dusk mastery. Claim it today.